Ito na, lalabas na, may kinausap lang sa phone.
Si Josh.
Ba't naman siya? Ba't naman ako tatawagan nun? Hindi nga nagpaalam eh.
Huh?
Wala.
I heard. Close na daw kayo ngayon. Nag-date pa nga kayo, di ba?
Ano? Di ba pwedeng nagmerienda lang, date na agad? Dapat mag-isip tayo ng gimmick eh.
Tama.
Oh, raffle. Hindi. Alam ko na. Benefit concert. Yun.
Kakanta ka?
Ba't hindi?
Talaga? Gagawin mo para sa akin yun? I mean, para sa cafe?
Oo naman.
Promise. Walang ibang makakaalam ng sikreto natin.
Thank you, Zeph.
Here I am, seeing the world in front of me as the light shines on my face. Heart is racing, finding an escape, and suddenly I feel as if I am floating. Here I am, seeing the world in front of me as the light shines
Ano
on
yan?
my face. Heart is racing.
Kapag tinitigan ka ba ng lalaki ng ganito, wala ka talagang nararamdaman?
As if I am floating, ready to spread my wings into the open sky. You are my guiding star. You chase away all my fears like mist in the morning light. You come and soar
Anong
within.
ibig sabihin yan?
You are my guiding star.
Dahon ka lang sa bahok.
Ah.
Zeph. Salamat sa lahat ng tulong niyo. Sa kabila ng lahat, hindi pa rin talaga ako pinabayaan.
Magiging okay din ang lahat siya.
Here I am, seeing the world in front of me as the light shines on my face. Heart is racing, finding an escape. And suddenly,
Doc Joel!
I think I'm falling in love with you, and I don't know what to do.
Eto, lemonade muna. Pampalamig lang. Sarap.
A little conversations are turning into little sweet sensations, and they're only getting sweeter every time.
Oh, lucky coin.
A little
Mainit-init pa yan, nakakapulot ko lang yan, ha?
Hindi
mo to binibigay sa akin. Kailangan mo din to.
Di na, dami ko ng lucky charm sa buhay. Actually, pinapalibutan nila ako.
Our friendly get-togethers are turning into visions of forever.
Thank you.
If I just believe this foolish heart of mine.